Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip for FreeCAD I will explain how to show selected objects in the tree view. So sometimes I select, let's say, this door, and I've got it selected, and I want to have it and work with it in the tree view, but automatically it doesn't show up in the tree view. So how do I show the door in the tree view if I've got it selected in the 3D view? I have the door selected and I right click my mouse and I select go to selection, or its shortcut TG. If I click go to selection, it automatically shows in the project tree and I can work with it here. I can drag it or work with the right click mouse button options. So this is fine and dandy, but sometimes it doesn't work because if the parent of the selected object is not expanded, so if I hide the doors group like this, and I will move my tree here, and now I select the door, I right click and select go to selection, it doesn't show up in the project tree because only when the object is expanded does it show in the project tree. In my opinion, this shouldn't happen, and if I select the tool, it should show the door even if it's not, if the parent is not expanded. So how can we solve that? We will solve that by always linking the object selected in the 3D view to the tree view, and we do that by going to the view and tree view actions and selecting sync selection. If I select the sync selection and now I select any object, I will select this door, it automatically expands and shows the object in the tree view. So if I select this object, it selects it. If I select this wall, it selects it in the tree view. So you can access the tool by view and tree view actions, or it's this icon where I have the drop down and I can turn it on or off. The sync selection I can turn on or off here. Now let me also show you the reverse thing. So if, let's say, I'm zoomed somewhere here and I select this door in the tree view, how do I show it in the 3D view? I do that by going to View, Standard Views, and Fit Selection. And this zooms onto my selected objects. So it's shortcut VS, which is very useful. I was using FreeCAD 1.0 in this quick tip. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you in the next one.